Hi students, good morning. This is Srinivasa Perumal. Today we are going to discuss about new chapter lines and angles. Now we moving for discuss only basic concepts. The first, the basic terms and definitions. In a line segment means a part of line with two endpoints is called line segment. That means so in between these points. So this is called line segment. Next one, ray. Ray means a part of line with one point is fixed and another one point is moving to away. So here point A is fixed and point B is moving. So this is called ray. Next. So collinear points and non-collinear points. So collinear point means consider the first conditions P, Q and R. So both are in the same line. If a 3 or more points in the same line means it's a collinear. So otherwise it is not a collinear. So consider a triangle. So triangle consider A, B, C, but these 3 points are not in the same line. So it will be different line. So this is called non-collinear points. Next one, angles. Angles means it's formed when two rays are originating from the same point. So consider a diagram. So here ray BA bar. So that means BA is a single ray. So this is a one ray and BC is another ray. So this point B, two rays are connected. This is called angle. Basic types of angles. One is acute, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angles. Acute angle. Acute angle means it's an angle which is less than 90 degree. So any angle the value is less than 90 degree is called acute angle. So consider 40 degree, 45 degree. So these are some examples. So consider the given examples. So this is called a 90 degree. So the point is moving from any distance in between these two. So the angle is less than 90 degree only. So like a 20 degree, 30, 35, any value. Next one, right angle. Right angle, it's a 90 degree. So the angle is must be equal to 90 degree. So consider given diagram. So there is no points. So two rays are intersecting the origin. This angle is right angle. So the value of right angle is 90 degree. Next, obtuse angle. An obtuse angle is an angle which is more than 90 and also less than 180. So the angle range is like this. So 90 degree to 180 degree. So any angles, for example 100, 120, 150, 189, it is possible? No. So because it's greater than 180. So this is a simple notation for obtuse angle. So the angle in between 90 to 180 is called obtuse angle. Next, straight angle. Straight angle means the angles form 180 degree. So it's a fixed one. So it's like a right angle. So right angle means 90 degree. Straight angle means angle value is equal to 180 degree. So consider this. So the two rays are intersecting. For example, this is the origin A and B. So OA and OB intersecting a particular point. So this make particular angle. So this angle S is equal to 180 degree and also it is a straight line or straight angle. Next one, a reflex angle. A reflex angle which means more than 180 and also less than 360 degree. So the range is 180 to 360 degree. So consider any angles. Angle more than 180, so not for interior, the exterior angle. So more than 180 and less than 360, this angle is called reflex angle. Complementary angle. If two angles, the sum of two angles is called equal to 90 degree, means this angle is called complementary angle. So consider, so alpha and beta, the two angle form a 90 degree. That means sum of two angles is equal to right angle. So this is called the complementary angle. So alpha and beta is the adjacent angle also. Adding these two, finally we getting 90 degree. So consider small example, angle O A B C. Angle AOB is equal to 30 degree and angle BOC is equal to 60 degree. So adding these two, so finally we getting 90 degree. Next, supplementary angle. So the similar conditions for previous. The complementary means sum of two angles equal to 90 degree. So supplementary means the same concept, but the sum of two angles equal to 180 degree. So consider the diagram. So B is the origin. Angle DBC, for example, I consider this one is X, and angle DBA, so this one is Y. So adding two angles, angle X plus angle Y, so final value is equal to 180 degree. So this is called supplementary angle. So consider example, one angle is 52 and another one is 128. After adding these two angles, finally we getting 180 degree. This one. This is called a supplementary angle. Next one is adjacent angle. Adjacent angle is the same. The two angles have a common arms. So consider the diagram. So BC and BA arc have common arm. So BD is a common arm between these two. So for example, this one is X and this one is Y. The common point is BD bar. So this is called adjacent angle. The way of representation is angle total angle, angle ABC is equal to angle ABD plus angle CBD. Simply angle ABC is equal to X plus Y. So this is called adjacent angles. The total angle is equal to sum of the remaining two angles. Next one, vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle means formed with the two lines intersecting each other, particular point. So consider a diagram. If AB and CD intersecting at origin, so these two angles are vertically opposite angle. For example, this is a 80 degree means, so this one is also 80 degree. The same. So for example, AOC, so this one is X, angle BOD also X. Simple notation, angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. Then X also vertically opposite angle, angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. So these two angles are vertically opposite angle. Thank you.